This Raleigh budgie, all it needs is a stand really. So I bought this. It's a bit big, but that needs to fit in there. But you can't go that way because the bolt can't tighten down. So if I just flatten it, flatten those bend bits flat. But then it's a bit long. But this comes out. This end comes off. Like so. All I've got to do then is cut it with a pipe cutter. Put the end back on. Put this bite back in. Flatten it flat. And then have a lovely stand for the budgie. But you need a stand for it, so gonna do that next. What else is left to do on it? Put the chain and chain guard on. She's already done. So stand next, see how that goes.